When he smiles, he's just a grinny pig. And when he drives, then he's a mini pig. And when he smokes, he's a naughty nicotine pig. Nicotine pig, that's that guinea pig of ours. When he says don't, he's a strict discipline pig. And when he eats Chinese, then he's a Mandarin pig. When he plays strings, he's a Russian violin pig. Violin pig, that's that guinea pig of ours. And when he throws, he's a jolly javelin pig. Then he gets on his toes and does his watch me spinny pig. And when he slows, he's been a one too many.